Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I've got my Sierra hat on because we are doing their destination RV. This is the 2023 Sierra 399 LOFT, which you could imagine this one does have a loft. Perfect for a family or someone with some grandkids or just someone that needs a ton of extra storage. But it's a beautiful day out here at RV Nation. You can see we got a ton of campers in stock. If you guys are in the market for an RV, my contact information is down in the description, along with the specifications: length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff that you need to know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Help me reach my goal of 30,000 subscribers if you are in the market for an RV. But let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, it's the 2023 Sierra 399 LOFT. Dual entry into this camper. So right here you got the bedroom entrance, and then you have your sliding doors, which I haven't set the stairs up for yet, and I didn't want to mess with that, but you can get in there through those glass sliding doors. Quick little peek here on the bedroom. I'll get more into this here in a little bit. I'm going to start this tour up at the front of the camper, kind of work my way back and then around. But you got your loft heading right up there, the bathroom door, again the sliding glass door entrance right there. But I really enjoy this floor plan. One, I think it's really nice. It is light and bright, but it's not too light and bright. You also see, you get some good accent lighting there above the slides, but the slides are pretty massive. So over here, you're going to see a residential refrigerator, pantry, insignia oven, TV, and a fireplace. You got an island, accent lighting again on the floor, pendant lighting above. And then over here, you got what I would consider, kind of a super slide. So it's really big. One massive window. You get the day and night shades. You have a dinette, so a sit down for four, play some euchre, play some cards, have a really good time there. All the other windows, boom, boom, and boom, open up for a nice cross breeze. And again, they all come with those Dracula shades, so you can block out the sun, keep everything from sizzling up. Flush mount slides, you're going to get the carpet, but that's okay. It gives you more head height. And for height purposes, I'm 6 feet tall. Right there, you're going to see probably about 6'2", 6'3" for the slide height. You got your theater seating. So these are going to be nice recliners. So right here, there's a little... Oh, where's that at? What in the world? Lord have mercy. So right there, there's going to be a little pull tab. You push that up, and they'll flip down relatively flat. So these are going to be the quick recline. So they lay down normally, flat, but just like that on a pitch. So perfect for sleeping. You can definitely sit down there and take a snooze. They're also very comfortable. You got cup holder here that lights up, cup holder there that lights up, and then right here, just kind of two regular ones, along with a place to put your remotes. It's also got a little bit of overhead storage, and you see it's got kind of that textured finish to it. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You got right there. And you also see hands-free. So you got the struts that hang up on their own. That's going to be something you're going to see in some of the higher-end destination RVs like this one. The theater seating is also directly across from the TV. So let me take a seat here. That's going to be kind of the view that you're going to get. Really enjoy that accent lighting. At night, puts up a really nice ambient glow so that we can come out, get a midnight snack while maybe not disturbing everybody, going full tilt on the light action here. Back up here against this wall, if the loft is not enough additional sleeping for you, this right here does pull out to a full-size bed. So it'll come right up to, about that airway vent right there. Place right here and right there to store up some things. You're also going to get outlets on both sides. So outlet, outlet. And then this side will also have the added benefit of a USB. You got the clock right there. One of your controls for your heat and AC are going to be right here. And we got the guards up on the front windows, but nice kind of open style bay windows there with the two extra large ones on both sides. The left side being an emergency exit. So pull, push, and pop, you can get out in a hurry. You also see you have overhead storage there as well. You got the antenna for the King Wi-Fi, so you can hit up like AT&T or Verizon. You got 4G, 5G, LTE connectivity, so that way you can use this thing, as kind of like a central base. If you're staying for the whole summer, you can still get some work done. Your other slide, dual opposing slides, is going to allow you to have a ton of kind of walk around room. This is a really open floor plan. I also think that flooring looks pretty nice. But you got the Connex TV, a little bit of overhead storage similar to the one that I just showed you there above the theater seating. You're going to have not stainless steel, geez, oh Pete's, solid surface countertops. And then you got the Connex soundbar as well with the DVD player, USB, and an auxiliary. You also have zones A, B, and C. So that's going to be inside, outside, and both sides. You're going to get the Greystone fireplace, which puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat. So in an RV this size, it'll heat up the entirety of this room up until about the bedroom. Absolutely no problem. So on a day that's like 40, 45 degrees, you're going to be saving a lot of money on propane. So that's always a plus. They also utilize the industry's largest oven, the Insignia. You got a good looking backsplash, 4 stovetop burner. Put up all the fixings. You know, you can have like mac and cheese, some green beans. You're good to go. Cooking fancy style while camping. You also got a oven that is big enough for a turkey. You get the LG microwave. A little bit of storage here up above as well. And this goes the Toughflex roofing. So you got a little bit better roof. And as you can see next to that happy guy, he's happy because he's got a lifetime warranty. He's got a good product, nothing but smiling. You got a little sumo wrestle there too. So that's always nice. Here's going to be your island. So you get the solid surface countertops, stainless steel single mounted bowl. We got it on packing. That's going to be the antifreeze. We still got to prep this thing up. But stainless steel undermounted bowl with a high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. Underneath, you get some access to your plumbing and just a little bit of storage. You got a little trash can there for you. You're also going to see it's going to be the soft close, which is always nice. You don't have to worry about it clanging and banging. Boom. Again, soft close. And the bottom one's going to be a little bit bigger. Boom. Good to go. Right next to it, look at that pantry. As someone said in the last video, junk food heaven. You also get the added benefit of having 3 of these pullouts here. And that gives you pretty good depth and a lot of good storage because this is pretty darn deep. And then even that is on the soft close, which is nice. Stainless steel LG refrigerator. So it's going to be just like the one inside your home. It's a little fancier than the one that's inside my home. But, you know, that's always a big time plus. You can definitely pack away a week's worth of food in there. Absolutely no problem. Then you got a big old freezer section there as well. And you also, see right there, you got a little ice tray. This middle part you can take out to make it one big open area. Otherwise, you know, you're good to go with that little partition. I forgot to show you here too. That's what the new decor for the 2023 is looking like. You got kind of that like aluminum silver style stamp look. You're also going to get an outlet right here and the control for the accent lighting. And then above, you got that nice little pendant light there. And also there is going to be a fan right there as well that I forgot to point out. Flip it around. This is going to be kind of like your Keurig, your margarita style top. So just a place to kind of put some stuff. And then, you know, for my family at least, this would probably turn into, you know, a junk drawer. But this goes all the way across. Oh, camera's not working with me, getting all wobbly. But this goes all the way across in that one big section there. And then above, kind of more of the same. You know, you get a little bit extra storage. These are going to be the hubcaps there, so it's shining nice and bright for you when you're, you know, you're camping. You put that right on your wheels. The Furrion gas water heater. Bada bing, bada boom. A little bit of a bigger place. You also get a little nook right on top. A couple speakers there on the roof. So you got 2 right there. Another thing I forgot to show you. Above the oven, you got a fantastic fan. So that'll actually suck up, you know, the steam or the stink from cooking. As we move along here, this is going to be the other control for your heat and AC. The control for the Max Air fan. And then you get a couple outlets. This is going to be your control center for the RV. So it doesn't control all the lights. Some of those are still going to be, you know, tucked away in the slide. Like there's one there, you know, in there, right over there. But this is going to control like your main lights on the ceiling. So the hall, ceiling, awning, porch, heated holding tanks, which is nice. So if you're camping deep into the season, you pop those on. It's 12 volt heat. So electric heat to your tanks. And it really just aids in camping a little bit longer. Just like that electric fireplace helps you save on propane. That'll help you save on kind of time. You know, you just can camp a little bit longer. Black tank, you can check all the fills right there. The battery, we're looking good, 2/3 full. We'll be all right, we'll get through this. Your slide out controls, and then your awning extension. Down below, you got a central vacuum, so that's always nice to have. And then your fuse box. So if something's not working for whatever reason, make sure to check that out, and it'll glow up nice and red for you, letting you know which fuse that you got to change. It takes about 2 seconds to change that. Give you another little view here. I think that's looking pretty sharp. Might be good for a thumbnail. You got the bathroom. Let me turn on the lighter Roonies. Just enough to kind of get her done while you can sit down and you're not buckling your shoulders against anything. Kind of show you what I'm talking about here. It's also the porcelain throne. So us bigger guys, us bigger people will be appreciative of that. It's not that kind of cheaper plastic one that you have to worry about. Show you the old bowling gun baby. And if you've made it this far, hit that like and subscribe button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. You got another Max Air fan. Suck out some of the different steam or the different stank. Tri-Guide glass series. Typically I like to move it over to this side, but didn't do that before the video. And by Tri-Glide I mean it's 3 panes of glass. You also have a very, large shower. So, I'm a pretty big dude, 290 pounds, so I'm definitely a roundy. But you can see I've got enough kind of moving and grooving room. Absolutely no problem. You also got kind of a fancy looking little shower head there, so I like seeing that. And of course, who doesn't like a little place for your soap? Now let me show you right over here. Little place to sit down, shave your legs, relax, let the hot water hit you. You also get some pretty incredible height, so that's always a big time plus too. Over here, you got a little couple storage cubbies, maybe fold up some towels. You got a towel hanger, and then again, the toilet is going to be the porcelain throne. You're also going to get a sink over here, and underneath, access to your plumbing, and then some of your maintenance stuff is going to be right down there. And even in the bathroom, you're still going to get that soft close. I'll show you the loft real quick. So you got the carpet heading on up, you get the little night light, you get a safety rail. Little cubby right here for some of the kids' trinkets or maybe some of your own stuff. But check this out, pretty darn cool. Looks like probably maybe about 3 feet or so of space. But you get some storage cubbies right over here. And that's fairly deep. That is a pretty massive area in there. So you can fit a ton of stuff. TV backer is going to be right over here along with the appropriate plug-ins. But you're going to get 2 of those, oversized teddy bear mattresses. So you could easily sleep, 4 or 5 kids up here. Absolutely no problem. Just having a blast. You also have outlets, outlet, emergency exit. It's pretty toasty out here. It's a hot day out. Man, that loft with the AC not on. Obviously the camper's just sitting here all day. Gets a little hot up there. But you do have, direct AC right into that. And this is going to be your bedroom. Really nice walking space around the bed so both sides can comfortably get in and out, which is always important to me. Really good spacing. USBs and outlets right there. A massive window out the back for a great view, hopefully, not just an RV dealership. You're also going to get a dresser and your own entrance to the outside, which I think is a big time bonus. Outlet, appropriate plugins for the TV, and a place where you can put a TV. So I'm thinking probably about a 60-inch would go on there, no problem. A little bit of countertop space, and 6 dresser drawers, just like this. Swinging around to the bed, looking like a queen size. You're going to have windows on both sides that open up for a good breeze. LED lights there behind the headboard. Some overhead storage, which I can give you a little peek of that. Pretty sharp. Underneath the bed, it's all strut assist, which is nice, so hands-free. It doesn't clank on you. When you're pulling up, you're not stressing too bad, but some really good space to put, whatever you would need, down there. And then this closet here, too, is pretty darn impressive. So whether you're using it for just a massive hanging area, or if you need it to, you can put the washer and dryer down here as well. You got the hookups right there, which we got a ton of stuff. We got the steps in front of the slides. It's also the box for the TV. Dryer, washer, hookups, everything, you're good. The dryer vent location will be right over there. But all right, guys, this was the 2023 Sierra 399 Loft. Hope you guys are enjoying the tour so far. Hit that like and subscribe button for future videos. But let's go ahead and check out the outside, show you where everything is located. Again, the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description of this video. Real big awning. I'm going to guess somewhere over 20 feet. But right here, boom and boom, those are going to be your outside speakers. You can also put slide toppers on the slides. They run you about $700 a piece, which is essentially an awning that goes from here to here. to really stop the debris from banging down on the top. Dual axle, really nice laminated sidewall, so really sturdy. That's definitely the way that you want to do it. You got the old granny handle, the extra large grab handle to help you get on in and out. Heated and enclosed underbelly, and again, it does have those 12-volt tanks, so it's going to be really nice for those kind of 3.5 season campers. Place where you can hook up your TV, plug-ins, LP quick connect, so that way you can hook up a grill, put your Weber out here, sit there flipping some burgers, having a really good time down at the campground. This is a fully walkable roof, but there is no ladder access to get on top. So you want to get on there a couple times a year, just kind of, check the caulking and all that kind of good stuff. All right. No update on the Facebook page yet either, if any of you guys are wondering. It's been a bummer for sure. Their support system is absolutely nothing. Back end of the hot water heater. You have an outside shower, so that way you can spray off everything and kind of clean off out here. Hot and cold water access. You're also going to have your fresh water connection, city water connection, black tank flush, which is a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. All your different cable and satellite areas. So, loft, satellite main, satellite rear, all that good stuff in one place. You also have your plug-in for the camper right there as well. Forgot to show you. This is where that's the dump station there for the sewage. Show you the old manufacturer sticker. 10,832 pounds. This is not a light camper. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hope to see you next time. My name is Hunter, and this was the 2023 399 LOFT. See ya.